Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Heather. We're gonna make vegan tacos today. Okay guys, so we're going to use oyster mushrooms for the substitute on the meat with the butternut squash. So we actually have to put this in the oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of here and rinse it and pat dry it, season it, put some olive oil on it, and then we're gonna put it into the oven. Now this is getting started, so I won't be able to see this. So we're gonna I'm gonna use chicken oil here. So it's gonna look something like this. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven right now. And we are going to put this in the oven for about 30 minutes. So we're gonna let that cook real quick. While that's happening, I have these, we're gonna make some walnut dressing sauce for them. So I had to soak these for 4 hours. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse them out, and then we're gonna add water. Just add a little bit of water to them. Okay, so now to make this sauce, I needed dill, but I couldn't find dill at H-E-B, and I forgot at the Asian market they didn't have it at Aldi's, so whatever. We're gonna do it without it. So you do need garlic cloves. I don't have any garlic cloves, so we're gonna use this chopped garlic, and I'm just gonna put about a tablespoon of this in there. So put that in there, and then I need apple cider. So we're gonna go ahead and do. I just do 2 teaspoons of apple cider. We're gonna add some salt. I know I love my pink salt. I put it in everything. And then you need honey. If it is an H-E-B product, it ain't worth it. So make sure y'all get y'all H-E-B products. I live by them. If you don't want to use honey, you can use agave. Agave is good, but I went with honey because that's what I had in my pantry. feel like this is still too thick. Yeah, I don't want it that thick, so we're gonna add some water. I honestly don't measure when I cook. I've been cooking for so long that I just do what to do with it. Its tongue looks at it. Its tongue looks like yogurt. See how it tastes. It don't really taste like anything. It's kind of like a ranch. I'm gonna add some seasoning though. I want it to kind of taste like a salsa. Okay. God damn, I can't open it. How it looks now. Don't put in the fridge and it get cold. Okay, so these are oyster mushrooms. We're gonna rinse them. And we're gonna cook them now. So I'm gonna go ahead and heat up the pan. I'm gonna make some rice on the side. Cause I'm not really sure if my son is gonna eat this. I don't think he's gonna be with my bullshit today. So I'm gonna put olive oil in the pan that we're gonna use to cook the mushrooms in. Okay. So we're gonna kind of like cut them like this, and then we're gonna cut them like how you would cut fajitas, so like little strips. So, and I'm making my famous boiled rice, and my boiled rice tiene nor all-purpose. It's basically white rice, but I just season it with more than just salt and pepper. I don't know if this is like a Mexican thing or what, but I literally cook my rice before I add the water with the onion, like sauteed a little bit, and then I add the water, and then I don't know if everyone does that or not, but I do it. So okay. Okay, so these are my fajita mushrooms. On the last one. You have plans for tonight? So these are the mushrooms, and we're gonna put them in this bowl. They kind of do look like, they actually look like potatoes. They really do not look like no fucking fajita. So this is what we're cooking with. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some olive oil on these. And season them. Mushrooms have a unique taste. So make sure you season them. Y'all usually put garlic and onions and down there every time I cook. I'm about to add more. Okay, y'all. So this is what they look like right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the skillet. And this is what the muffins look like right now while they're cooking. So we're gonna let them cook for a little bit. While they're cooking, we're gonna go ahead and get the guac ready. Okay, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I do not make fresh guac. So I did go to HEB and buy it, but I add like my own twist to it. So that's what we're gonna work on right now. So this is the one I bought from HEB, and I just add stuff to it. Okay, we cut some limones. Let me show y'all these mushrooms. This is my first time eating these. They're like real slimy now. Oh, they're real slimy now. I don't know how I feel about them. It's honestly my first time cooking oyster mushrooms and my first time eating them. So I don't know what I got myself into. It looks good. I want to eat healthier, so hopefully it tastes good. Oh my god! Hi, Greenhawk. Yes, I did hear about that. I heard that her photographer from last year that she privately like hired, so he wasn't really on her payroll all the time. He got paid by what he did, so commission. Um, yeah, I heard she let him go and didn't pay him, and he said that he's seen her having sexual intercourse with another woman in the car, and he was sitting in the back seat and he couldn't get out because I can't really recall what country they were in, but it did not happen here in the United States. It happened somewhere else. And he wanted all this money from her. And he said that she kind of abused him, like was talking shit to him. So I don't know. I think he's probably reaching because I can understand how that may be an uncomfortable situation, but let's be real. What man is gonna get out the car? Like, what man is gonna want to get out the car? So, I don't know. I think he reaching a little bit, you know? I don't know. Move. It's not moving. Okay, guys, there goes that butternut squash. I'm gonna mix that in with the mushroom so it can pick up the flavor. Bruh, oh my god, not you telling on yourself. I'm not gonna lie, if I was in the room, I would have felt uncomfortable. I would have not been watching. The fact that he tried to make it seem like they knew he was in there, I'm pretty sure she did know that he was in there, but I'm pretty sure he agreed to it. If he was uncomfortable, he should say he was uncomfortable, and I'm pretty sure they would have stopped. Like, I don't know. Okay, so this is the butternut squash, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the pan with the mushroom. I'm gonna turn this off so I can show y'all the pan. Give me 1 second. Okay, guys, so this is it. That's the butternut squash with the oyster mushrooms all in one pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up some lettuce and heat up the sartén for oh my gosh, wrong thing, for the tortillas. And yeah, so hold on. Okay, so our diced tomatoes. These are our toppings. And I personally prefer flour tortilla over corn tortillas, so we're gonna do flour. I already did. So here we are. My favorite tortillas. HEB has the best tortilla. Well, actually, I'm not. Well, yeah, I feel like they do, but the Bolillo Bakery, they have really good flour tortillas too. I feel a little nervous. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. So doing vegan meals is something that I'm trying to step into and make more of, because I have a project coming up that I'm working on, and I want to cater more to the vegan community.
Young niggas about the titty. Go 2, 3, then you got that bitties. Got shots just pulling up, they on the ready. Every block with 2 hands, shoot it steady. 4 hours in, been cooking Betty. I'm fresh to a kilo, cause I ain't petty. Like a daddy. I feel my big brother up in the city. Chain the crack with the nail. Where you think I got crazy clientele? Way I built for the scale. I'm a big nigga. I got crazy clientele. Serving that cheese, nigga. You gon' pop it on your own, cause you don't need niggas. Serving bags of the strong one out the seas, nigga. On the top of the throne, it's hard to see. And serving peas, nigga. Serving coke out your hand, you gotta eat, nigga. Ready to run up from vans, street feed, niggas. You gon' sell us with a high, cheap, nigga. Just to park my environment on the key, nigga. It's hard to sleep with this money, yo, take it easy, nigga. I hate to hustle, go get it, one trying to leave, nigga. I seen $1 million, some dollars, just shop of weed, nigga. Cut the crack with the nail, way and bill without the tip. I'm a free bag, nigga.
Alright, y'all, so that's pretty much it. This is the finished product of the tacos. Our vegan tacos with the oyster mushrooms and butternut squash. So make sure y'all tune in on Wednesday. The whole crew will be on, and make sure that you like and subscribe to our YouTube and Instagram channel. We'll be dropping content later today. All right, thank you guys for supporting and joining.